One of the first things I did when I started selling on Amazon back in early 2017 was I got my dad to open a different credit card and different bank account just for the business income and spending to keep transactions separate and make it easier for accounting purposes. And I also really wanted to earn rewards from all the spending I'd be doing, because with selling on Amazon, you have to spend a lot of money on inventory and supplies depending on how far you're trying to grow your business. So I was sourcing from thrift stores a lot back then, and also getting into retail arbitrage, Target, Walmart, had to buy like boxes, other supplies from Amazon, Lowe's, Home Depot, all sorts of different stores, all sorts of different categories. So when I was looking for a credit card that would really fit our business, it was really important that it had like kind of a flat rewards rate and just something that would earn good rewards in any of those categories. After a lot of research, I found out that the best card for us at the time was the Citi Double Cash card. And you can see this one actually has my name on it because I had my dad add me as an authorized user to start building my credit score. I did that a few months ago. But Citi Double Cash card earns 2% cash back, 1% when you spend, and 1% when you pay it back. So basically 2% on any purchases anywhere, unlimited. So that was really the best fit for us because it didn't matter what I was buying, I'd still get 2%. So I started using that card from the beginning of 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, still use it today. It is the main card we use for our business. But, you know, as time went on, I realized, hey, this is where we're spending the most. Maybe we should get like specialized credit cards. So we don't have any actual business credit cards because a lot of the categories business credit cards specialize in really don't suit our business. Like, I don't spend a lot at office supply stores. I don't pay for the internet or phone or insurance. I don't do a lot of shipping that could be billed on a credit card because I don't use a third-party shipping platform. I buy my shipping through Amazon. I really only spend money like in physical stores or online websites. But last year, beginning of 2020, I wasn't spending a lot of money because I was focusing on selling off all the inventory I had. But once like May hit, I was ready to get back into things. So I started earning more rewards back again on this credit card. I earned $110 in May, basically the same amount in June. And at the end of 2020, I ended up with $550 in rewards just from the Citi Double Cash card. That is like a really good amount. That's more than the revenue I was making in some months in 2017. And that is crazy to believe. But I also earned a lot more from some of the newer credit cards that we opened because I started spending money at like Walmart. So we got a Walmart credit card because it earns 5% cash back on all purchases. So got that card also in 2020 when I was getting back into purchasing because I was doing all online arbitrage because stores were closed. Or not that they were closed, but my parents wouldn't let me leave the house. And I also couldn't drive. So online arbitrage was the best way to source, open a Walmart credit card, 5% back, earned $300 in rewards in 2020 alone. So that's pretty crazy. Almost $900 in rewards from 2 credit cards. Basically no effort at all. Just swiping with a different piece of plastic than you might already be doing. It's really important to know like what's the best rewards card for you, because if you have good credit, you've definitely got a lot of options. If you don't have good credit, it's a really good opportunity to build up your credit score by spending and paying off the full balance monthly. I have paid probably $50 total in fees on this card in the 4 years I've had it because I missed a payment and I paid the late fee and I paid some interest as well. So yes, that costs like $50, $60, but I've earned like thousands of dollars in rewards from this card. So I mean, at the end of the day, it's worth it. But if you are really meticulous and you're really on top of it, you pay your credit card balance in full monthly so you don't pay interest and you don't pay late fees. You're only getting benefits from it. You're getting rewards, it's building your credit score. And with the business credit card, it's a little different because I don't know exactly how it affects your credit score. I think business cards have less relation to your credit score than a personal card used for your business would. So that might be something to keep in mind if you're really conscious about that. But all the cards we use, we got the Citi Double Cash card, the Walmart credit card, also have a Target credit card, also have a Lowe's credit card, and last but not least, a Best Buy credit card. Best Buy, Target, Lowe's, same thing, 5%. Best Buy is 5% back in rewards. Target, it's 5% off at the register. So all good benefits for places I would or used to spend a lot of money. I used to spend a ton of money at Best Buy, and I still do in Q4, spend several $1,000s in November and December. So 5% back on that really makes a big difference. I actually redeemed my Best Buy rewards not too long ago to buy this new camera lens for my Sony a6600. So I take that back. The new lens is on the camera right now, but it cost $800 plus I paid $130 for the protection plan for 2 years. 8% tax in California, which is outrageous. So I ended up spending more than $1,000 that day. And luckily I had $300 or $400 in rewards that I used towards it. So if you're the average Amazon seller, personally, I recommend either the Citi Double Cash card or maybe the Amex Business Cash card or the Spark Business card. Those are all cards that earn like 2% back, and I don't think they have annual fees. And the Spark and the American Express are actually business cards, so that might be cool to have. Or if you're, into travel, which at the time that was another thing that I had to keep in mind. I wanted cash back and not like travel rewards points because I was like 13 at the time. It wasn't like I was going to be traveling by myself and I didn't want to just give my dad the rewards points. So I wanted cash back because then I could just redeem it as statement credits. But if you're traveling or you do want to travel a lot and that's something viable for you, maybe look into a Chase credit card because Chase has one of the best travel rewards programs, the Ultimate Rewards Portal. So with the Chase Ink cards, you get ultimate rewards points, which are, worth like maybe 1.25 to 2 cents per dollar if you redeem them the right way. My dad recently applied for the Chase Sapphire Preferred, I think. That's the one with a $95 annual fee. And it has amazing benefits. We got the like 80,000 or 60,000 point sign up bonus. And then it also had a $50 Walmart credit. And then it has all of these benefits for travel, and we took a trip to Arizona this year, and we didn't have to pay for flights, so that was really nice. It was like $800 that we saved on that. With the Chase cards, they're also more specialized for like shipping or office supplies. You'll still earn a point per dollar bare minimum, which could be useful compared to like the 2% cashback, but just depends on where your interests are and how much you're spending in your business. Might make some cards more worth it than others if they have annual fees or stuff like that. There's also the Amex suite of business cards, platinum, gold, whatever. Again, I don't venture into there because annual fees, and it's just, I don't really spend enough to justify those cards for my business right now. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you're not using credit card already, highly recommend it. Separate credit card for your business, separate bank accounts to make accounting easier. And it's also something recommended by the IRS, I think. Don't quote me on that though. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. If you want to learn more about the businesses I run, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. It really helps with the growth of my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.